Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Garmin LiveScope has truly revolutionized how we fish, giving us a live, moving image of what's happening beneath the surface. With the 2025 edition, you'll experience even more incredible clarity and an extended range, allowing you to spot fish and structure further away. It's like having X-ray vision for your boat, transforming how you locate and target fish, bringing a new dimension to your time on the water. Getting started with your LiveScope 2025 begins with proper installation. First, carefully mount the transducer, typically on your trolling motor for the best directional control. Then, connect it seamlessly to your compatible Garmin display unit, like an ECHOMAP or GPS map. Remember, a clean, consistent power supply is crucial for clear images, so double-check your wiring to avoid any interference. This proper setup ensures you get the most out of your powerful new sonar. The LiveScope 2025 offers incredible versatility with its three main viewing modes. Use forward mode to scan areas ahead of your boat, perfect for spotting schools of fish or structure you're approaching. Switch to down mode for a detailed vertical look directly below your boat, great for precise bait drops. And perspective mode provides a wide, almost aerial view of a shallow area, excellent for covering a lot of ground quickly. Mastering these modes will significantly enhance your ability to find fish. Reading your LiveScope screen effectively is key to success. Fish often show up as bright, distinct returns, sometimes appearing as arcs or streaks, depending on their movement. Harder bottom and structure will look more solid and defined. Don't be afraid to adjust your gain. It controls the sensitivity, making faint targets clearer or reducing clutter. Experimenting with different color palettes can also help you differentiate between fish, bait, and various types of underwater structure, improving your overall interpretation. To get the absolute most out of your LiveScope 2025, regularly check for software updates. Garmin frequently releases improvements that can boost performance. Also, remember to protect your valuable investment. Proper care, like cleaning the transducer face and storing the unit safely, extends its lifespan. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with settings, range, and gain in various fishing scenarios. Practice truly makes perfect, helping you unlock the full potential of this amazing technology on the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.